What is up, y'all? What is up? What's going on? I wanted to show you guys what I purchased today from the Home Depot. The dewalt bits. We got an assortment of bits in here that we're gonna run into. 60 piece, and at the Home Depot website, it said it was sold out today. Sorry, eating my Jello, trying to keep it official. But yeah, so going back to this dewalt 60 piece max fit ultra set, and we have a couple of features in here that we're going to run into. Anti-snap design. We're going to open this baby up right now. I paid this usually goes for $25. The lady was nice enough to give me this for $20 because on the Home Depot website it said it was on sale for $20. But when I went to the Home Depot in Hillsboro, in Tampa, they were $25 this whole set. So I wasn't really too excited to get it. So I said, you know what really caught my eye is this one right here, and then this one, because these other ones I kind of already have, and it's always good to have extra bits, although I have a lot of bits. But I wanted to honestly see what was the hype, what was the biggest hype of getting this whole bit set. And for $20, I think is a good deal. For $25, I think is an alright deal. But for $20, we're gonna show you what it is. So let's open this up. I don't know if the part number for this bit set, 60 piece bit set, is, if you guys were curious, was DWAUMF60 SET set. Okay, so this is a screwdriver bit set, and we're gonna open this up right now. And we are gonna be using my Ryobi cutter. Excuse me. Okay, so I still think all right. So we're gonna open this baby up, do what it do, and show you guys what we do. All right, this is the main one that I bought this for. See right here, I don't know what's going on in there. So this one is the one that caught my eye the most out of the whole thing. There's a long one of that one. Then we have a smaller version of that one. So right here you have extra bits, different types of bits, which is awesome. And over here we have bits right here too. And they all fit in this department perfectly designed. And then they have the smaller brother of that one, like this. So yeah, let's get right into it. Let's see what it do. We got extra bits right here. I still think Milwaukee has better bits than dewalt. So let's see, man, because I like dewalt, man. Dewalt. At first is Milwaukee, and then dewalt. You know what I mean? I've always been a dewalt fan, especially with the bits. And I done sold a lot of my Milwaukee. So let's see. Let's see what we got going on here. DeWalt fan. DeWalt. I'm a DeWalt fan, guys. Sorry. DeWalt all day. This is a 5 amp power stack lithium with that forgot which one is this. This is the forgot which one is this. This is the regular impact, brushless impact. This is the super compact impact. So I don't know. Let's get right into it. Let's see what it do. All right. That's that one. Now we all know that impacts are louder than regular bits. So the unique thing I like about this from the back is that this says tough case. This one has like a design on its own. Let's see if we can close it up. Yeah, we can. Just like that. So this one is giving me a hard time taking it out. So we got Phillips here, and we have the star bits here, which is the new way of people doing woodworking. I don't see it any other way nowadays because everything is so complicated. So we're doing it. This is what makes life more simpler. Just do it with these star bits. They're harder to strip when you're doing any type of woodworking or anything. So the bit is not going anywhere. I like that feature. Doesn't have that quick release, so but you can release it, but you just gotta touch back and release it. Okay, now here's the thing. A lot of people, here's the thing, I like this. Where's the advertisement? I know this one says, let's see the advertisement right here real quick, what it says here. Because this one is saying impact rated, right? Impact rated. But what I like about this feature is because I'm more of a drill guy than anything. And when you're using a drill, when you're using a drill compared to an impact, I'm more of a drill guy than anything. Sometimes you don't want to, the thing about drills, you don't have the versatility of having that impact. Now this right here gives you that ability to have that impact, the quick release. So you could change out your bits however you please. Right here, change out your bits. This is a 5/16, all right? 5/16 right here. And I don't know if this is the same kind of quality, but so far I like it for the simple fact that you could change out your bits. Now let's see if we have something. Oh, this would be looking all kind of goofy looking. But this one is the little brother of this one. So, for the smaller jobs, you can use that one and use this one for like the hard to reach. You know what I mean? All right. So, you guys know that I'm a drill guy. So, I like that feature so you can have your quick release, so you can change out your bits quicker. This one is the Phillips, like I said, a whole bunch of Phillips. I think Phillips is outdated, but we still live in a world that still uses Phillips. But this is the new way of woodworking. If you're not using this, use this. Don't use Phillips. If you can avoid Phillips at all causes, avoid Phillips, because Phillips is this makes the job harder. This makes the job harder. Especially when you're doing woodworking or whatever it is that you're working on. I just think that the Phillips is outdated. It's out with the old and in with the new. That's all I have to say. Don't deal with Phillips no more. Then we have over here we have our little anchors for, they have our little anchors in here to make this sort of like a wrench driver. All right. And we have two of those. We got, I don't even know if they got a number in here. Do they? Nope. I don't even know what number is this, but I know we have one anchor and then a smaller anchor. I don't know if this is a 3/8. I don't know. It doesn't say it here, but it is a nice touch that they give you those in this setup, because those are important to have too. And they give you these this, like I said, the 5/16, which is cool. I just think Milwaukee gives a more variety of things when it comes to their bits. And Milwaukee's bits are a lot more stronger than the dewalt bits. I mean, I might be wrong. I might be wrong. I don't know, but I always been a dewalt fan, and I always get the dewalt bits because the Milwaukee bits. I'll be honest with you. The Milwaukee bits are more expensive, man. Everything Milwaukee, you know, that's because of the name. Is expensive, you know. So there you guys have it. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe. This is the Tough Case Plus, the dewalt. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to see more content like this, please let me know. We are out. Peace, love.